Oh, finally, something.
Central Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Albany, or near Evansville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
Of course it was Milwaukee.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Hey, look at that. This thing finally activated.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include Cooksville, Stoughton, Edgerton, Evansville, and Albany. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is Noaa's weather radio, KZD57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm zones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb,